So, hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, I want to try to solve a 3x3 Rubik's cube. So I got those back here, as you can see, but let me give one a bit quick. So here it is. It's a 3x3 Rubik speed. It's kind of new, and I bought it on the store not a long time ago, and it was really fun. Like, it also got those magnets, as you can see. So let's just undo this super flip pattern. So yeah, so there it is, and let's start the first solve. Okay guys, so now it's scrambled and pretty good as well. So now let's start with inspection. So there, and now let's solve. Okay guys, so I think I got a 1 minute, which is a kind of a bad solve. It's because I actually I averaged sub 50 or 40 seconds around that. But let's do the second solve. So I got a really easy solve here, I think, because it only needs so. Let's just do a very quick inspection. There. Okay guys, so I got a 42.484, which is actually really fast. So I told you I actually averaged like in 40 seconds. So let's do a last solve. So alright guys, so now I had the third and last solve of this video, which is just doing a quick inspection. Yeah. there, guys?
My mom just whispered in the video
Okay, there,
LOL.
guys. So if you just heard like it was nothing, then my mother actually talked in the video, so I had to mute this. I had to mute it. So because she don't want to be heard in the video, so I had to mute it. So yeah. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, then please give it a thumbs up, and comment down below of what video I should do next. Peace out.